This is 2025 NCEE past question. And in this part 1, the first question says, express mm. This mm means 2000. DCCC is 800. Then LXX is 70. IV is 4. So the best option here is 2874, which is option C. We move to question number 2. In number 2, what we have is what? 930 million. 930 million. Then 7,000. And the word 60. Have you seen it now? So answer to this question is in option B. We move to question number 3. In question number 3, they said that we should change 39 days to what? 2 hours. Now, 1 day is to 24 hours. Then 39 days will now be what? 39 multiplied by 24. And it will give us 936 what? Hours. Meaning that answer to this question is option E. Now, question number 4, what we have here is what? We are asked to find the place value of 6. Now, place value of this 3 is hundreds. Place value of 7 is tens. Place value of 5 is what? Unit. Place value of this 3 that we have here is tenths. Place value of 6 is what? Is hundreds, which is what they asked us to find. Number 5, we have square root of 16. Look at it here. Square root of 16 is what? Is 4. That is the number that will multiply itself 2 times that will give us 16 is 4. Square root of 9 is 3. A number that will multiply itself 2 times that will give us 9 is what? 3. So what we have here now is what? 4 over 3. And when you change it to mixed fraction, it will be 1 whole number 1 over 3. So answer to question number 5 is in option C. We move to question number 6. In question number 6, what we have is what? 25%. We are asked to convert it to what? To decimal, which is 25 over 100. Now, there is invisible point here. Make it to be visible. How many zeros do we have in 100? 2, meaning that this point will go backwards 2 times. 1, 2. So the point will be here. We now use 0 to cover it. So the correct answer to this question is what? 0.25. We move to question number 7. So we are asked to express 24 minutes 36 seconds in seconds, which is 1 minute is to 60 seconds. Then 24 minutes will now be what? 24 multiplied by 60. Okay, it will give us this. This will give us 12. 12 plus 2. This double 0, this 24. Okay, I will carry 2. This multiplied by this is 12. 12 plus this is what? This. So what we have now is 1440 plus now 36. So when I add 36, it will give us 1476. 1476, which is option E. We now move to question number 8. In question number 8, we are asked to find the sum, meaning that we should add these 3 things that we have here, which is in Nigerian currency. 25.21, then 7.04. So when I add it, this will give us 5, this is 2, this is 12. I will carry 1 and add here, it will be 3. Okay. Now I will add the last one, which is 11.19. Okay. When I add it up, this and this will give us what? It will give us 14. I will carry 1 and add here. It will be what? It will be 4. Then point. When I add this, it will give us 3. If I add this, it will give us 4. So what we have here is what? 43 naira, 44 kobo. And this naira is a Nigerian what? Currency. Meaning that answer to this question is in option C. So, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you try and do so. See you in my next video.